get a size. He said just a minute like a nigga wanna hop out, bust shit. God damn.
Yeah, we can talk to. Yeah, we can call back. Yeah.
Current loop video is now locked.
Additional topic for.
Chúng ta có thể nói chuyện với nhau à?
Một chứng việc mình.
Let me just get this one.
Yeah.
So is it your first one?
Yeah.
You Vietnamese as well?
I can't talk now.
Okay.
I can. Một chứng việc mình.
Let me just get this one.
Yeah.
So is it your first one?
Yeah.
You Vietnamese as well?
I can't talk now.
That's. What a time he actually pulled. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god.
Put it on YouTube.
Oh my freaking.
I high-fived him several times.
Yeah, I don't even believe in that. Yeah, a little later. Sweet.
So, I saw the thing where Milo said you guys cucked out on the show the first time. That's why we're going hard on New Balances this time.
It was worth it to have Ari. When Ari said F all three of us was... Rich Ross and Bonnie McFarlane do a show where they hold you banging, and they have like...
MD 1624.
That wasn't even an option.
No! You see a stop sign! Jesus Christ!
Hey, I got a dash cam. Okay, thank you. Want to come with me to like right here? Yeah,
God damn it.
No, we can't.
I don't know what to do here.
Now, are you close to Flamingo? Oh,
I looked both ways 10 times and I was like, all right, cool, I'm good to go. I swear to God, this car came out of a freaking portal of a matrix. Because if you look closely, he's in one lane, and then as I'm getting ready to go through, he's in the lane that's like right in front of my car. Like, bro. And even my response is, where the hell did you even come from? Because that car was not there, or I would have never went. Now, the crazy thing about that is, my sensors in my car did not go off, because anytime a car is really close to me, or I get ready to turn, like go into the next lane, it'll give me like this little crash symbol. Nothing came on.
What? ふざけんなよ。